Here's our engine all apart, all the insides. You know, our baby girl sitting there, needs some loving. It was leaking off the side panel, so we did that to get it to stop leaking. It only does so much, but it helps. The baby, she'll be back running in a month or so. Tuesday morning, we're up in Vermont, and it's all snow down on the ground. Coming down the hill into Mount Pelier, Vermont. A little chilly this morning. Not bad though. Our exit 10 to Stowe. Little ice on the road. Here's a small town in Vermont. Small town vibes. They loaded it weird, so they had to take the unit off this one and that back one. So then we had to move the other side's unit, the top one and that top one, to the middle. But now we're headed to Waitsfield. There's a pond up there with some swans. There's Ben and Jerry's ice cream. Here's the sign. Pretty farm in the background. Here we are cruising along the river. Looks pretty cold to me. Headed back up to 89 to our last stop in Barre, Vermont.